Lambretta. Two news, very news. Before we do the kit for carburetor 24 for original manifold. The kit complete is a spacer, manifold, and a gear that use a manifold for the filter original. Don't touch the original parts. And second, this is a special CDI that you can use in the model that have the open close.
Points.
Points.
Yeah.
Yes. Points. You remove the capacitor. Put this. Put the one cable in the CDI, and it is transform analogic system in electronic system.
Okay.
This is
but still with the points.
Point stay because point will be PK.
Okay.
Is the point where there is the spark.
Yes.
But there is a capacitor. There is a little electronic system inside that read the signal from the points and put electronic into the coils, into the CDI. It is for the Lambretta A, B, C, very, very old, where there isn't
An
electronic system, or model 2 or 3, where the people need, no, but I have my original CDI, I don't want touch. They can use this to solve the problem that for the points and the capacitor.
Okay. So it'll work with any Lambretta with points?
Every models. Important that there is the points.
Yeah. Okay. That's interesting. Very important.
Yes. We tried before in the moped. Second, we tried in the Vespa. Okay. Try in Lambretta. Anche Lambretta. Also Lambretta. Okay. We have a free color, black for the moped, yellow for the Vespa, and a red Gori for the Lambretta. Okay?
Fantastic. And is this available now?
Yes, it's available. There isn't in the website, but it's ready. I have in the stock, but I need only to put in the website.
The catalogue of the website. Yes, perfect.